Hi everybody, this is the video showing our Cheetah pistol stand and come with a carrying bag. Let's see what's inside. It comes with one rod, and the base unit, pistol grip, and then 3 lockable caster wheel. After we install the wheel, for this video purpose, I lock this so this will not move around in the table. After you finish, you put the Allen wrench in here. When you need to use, take it out. Right now we're showing this one here. You put the Allen wrench here. This is for yourself, for you to adjust the leveling. You can see, this will perfectly straight, or you want to adjust this. After you use, put it back in here. So after we install the base, everything, this expansion clamp here, you just put it in here. And see this little hole here? You just lock it with 4mm. After you finish, always store this in here so you don't get lost. Okay, once it's done, you have to install the pistol in there first. Depending on how many pistol grip you want. If you want an extra one, you install this first, so later on you don't have to go that high to put on there. This is the fully assembled, the Cheetah pistol stand. We put a 1 extra grip on here, and then this one holding our 33-inch beauty dish. Facing down. This is our reflector holder. Put on another pistol stand. You can adjust the angle how you want to reflect, as this 2 clamp is holding the reflector. Alright. By doing this, you can add another pistol grip holding your camera here. For example, like this. Okay? Like this. And this reflect. This reflect will do your head and shoulder, the beauty shot, and this reflector will reduce the blend the shadow, reduce the shadow a little bit by reflecting light, so don't look a very harsh shadow under the chin. Right now I'm going to go this way, from view, another pistol grip here holding your camera, bang. This is one setup. Camera, light, reflector. Wheel around, very easy. My name is Edward Tan from Cheetah Stand. Once again, thank you for watching.